YouTube Shorts is generating 30 billion daily views, so in this video I decided to teach you how you can generate all the shorts you need for the next couple months in 10 minutes using AI. The videos we are going to create are like quizzes. They will have a choice of yes or no and a clock. After the time ends, the correct answer will be shown. The great thing is that you can make these videos for any topic you like. Let me show you how to create these videos using ChatGPT and Canva. Before we start, it's important to choose the topic you want to focus on. I chose football because I'm personally interested in it, and it's the most popular and widely watched sport globally. It also has two of the most famous players in the world currently, which increases the chances of success.
Some people can't handle success. I can.
So consider these factors and don't spend too much time overthinking it. Take about 30 minutes to do some research and make your decision. Now comes the exciting part. First, we will go to ChatGPT and ask it to create 169 quizzes about the topic you selected earlier with yes or no answers, and the nerd will do all the work for us. Unfortunately, ChatGPT initially gave me very easy questions that even US people could answer. So I asked it to make the questions more challenging and focused on players and team awards. This way, we can include their names in the video titles. The nerd did a better job this time, and that's all we needed from it. Now we will go to Canva. This method only works if you have Canva Pro, which costs $13 per month. It's definitely worth the investment. If you can't afford it, you can join my email list below, and I'll provide you with an alternative method to make this work. First, go to canva.com. When you arrive at the website, this is the screen that appears in front of you. On the left side of the screen, you will find some options. Click on Templates. After that, select Mobile Videos. Then, locate the search bar and type in your niche followed by Mobile Videos. This will bring up a variety of templates for you to choose from. Pick the one that suits your style the best. In my case, I chose a green and orange template, even though it's not related to football. I will find a way to make it work for me. Next, we need to remove all the existing elements in the template to create our own unique style. Change the text to display our account name to ensure nobody steals our content. Then, I will add a question. I copied a random question from ChatGPT and made it smaller with less space between the letters. Additionally, I changed the font to make it fit better. Now, I will create the yes and no options. To do this, I will go to the Elements section and add a border to the options. I will change the border's color to white. Then duplicate it by holding down the Alt key on the keyboard and move it around. Finally, let's take a look at how everything looks together so far. I'm going to make a timer now, but it won't be a simple one. I'll be creative and add some interesting features to it. Now let's go to the Elements section and find a rectangle shape. Drag that shape into the video. Next, resize the shape so that it covers the entire screen and change its color to your preference. Then move it all the way down as shown in the screen. After that, go to the Position option and click on Layers. Place the rectangle shape over the background layer. In my case, there are two background layers, but for you, it's likely just one layer. Now we'll animate the shape. Go to the Animation section and click on Create a new animation. Hold the Shift key and drag the shape as shown in the example. Make the animation smooth and adjust the timer to fit the duration of 10 seconds. Finally, click Done when you're finished. To make room for the correct answer, let's stretch the video to 15 seconds. After that, we need to limit the options to 10 seconds so that there's space left for the right answer. Click on the elements and then Show Timing option. Reduce the timing to 10 seconds for all elements except the question, which we want to keep visible. Next, add 2 text layers, one for the answer and the second for the correct answer, and adjust them to fit in perfectly. Note that the correct answer has to be small because it's usually a paragraph, so make it small. Next, go to the Apps section and search for Bulk Create. Click on Enter Data Manually and clear the table. Then, go to ChatGPT and copy the table we created earlier, including all the information shown in the video. Paste that into the Bulk Create tool and click Done. Now, we need to connect the data. Click on an element, then select Connect Data and choose the relevant data from our table. Repeat this process for the 3 elements: question, answer, and correct answer. Once we're done, click on Continue. Next, reduce the timing of the 2 elements, answer and correct answer, to the last 5 seconds. Finally, click Generate to complete the process. After completing the previous steps, you will have 169 videos similar to this one, each with different questions and answers. Now, let's watch some of these videos. To add some music, I suggest using trending music from your computer. Simply click on Upload on the left side and select the music files you want from your computer. However, if you prefer, you can use Canva's music library instead. Just go to the Elements section, scroll down to Audio, and choose any music you like. Resize it to fit one of the short videos correctly. Once you have it in the right position, hover over it and click Ctrl-D to duplicate it into the other short videos. Repeat this process 169 times, and your shorts will be ready for the next 4 months. Now, to download the shorts into your computer, click on Share. After that, click on Download. Here you can select the format and the quality of your shorts. But the most important thing is to check the box that says Download in separate files, so your shorts are not in a long single video. I hope you liked this video. Press the subscribe button for more AI and YouTube related content. And last but not least,
They ain't believe in us. God did.